Hi friends, what's up and welcome back. If you happen to be new, my name's Denasiha, this is Adira, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm shaping my hair. If you follow me on Instagram, I kind of went on this, not a rant, but just this whole story about how I need to get my hair professionally trimmed because I need a shape and I don't have a shape, and because I grew out my undercut, it's this size and all of these things. When I said it, I meant it, but now, in hindsight, I was lying. I'm not letting nobody else come out here. I've been trimming and taking care of my own hair for almost 10 years. I'm going to continue to do so. So I have decided to muster up the courage to shape my own hair. This is different from how I usually maintain my hair because I trim, I dust, I search and destroy. I get rid of any dead ends kind of as I see them. I do not have a specific cadence. I'm just so familiar with my hair that I can almost immediately feel and see when my hair needs to be trimmed, dusted, or something needs to be cut. I prefer cuts and styles where majority of my hair is the same length. I am going to be continuing to do that. However, I just need a little bit of a shape. It's very like like very blunt and boxy, which I'll start taking out these braids and I'll show you, but I want just a little bit of roundness to it. I'm gonna be linking the 2 videos that I watched of many that gave me the vibe that I'm going for. The 2 videos where it's the shape that I want, and it's a method that I believe I can do pretty well. So that's what I'm going for. I'm gonna adjust this lighting a little bit because this is kind of messing me up, but that's the plan for today. I am not necessarily trimming my hair because I've already done that about a month or so ago. Even with the fact that my hair is bleached and colored, my ends look pretty good. I am just doing the shape, and I'm gonna try to keep as much length as I possibly can. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, keep watching because that's coming up next.
No, I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Alright, so I actually readjusted my whole, not my whole setup, but just the positioning so that there was less background visual distraction, so that the lighting was okay and that I have full view of my mirror. So I am going to be looking this way because I need to focus. Also, this is not a tutorial. I am not going to be stepping you through this because, again, this is my first time going through this type of trim shape deal with my hair, and she needs to focus, okay? She needs to focus. So my hair currently is technically in a blown out state. If you watch my vlog from last weekend, you'll know that I had to stop in the middle of a roller set, and I did not get to finish that process. So my hair has basically been in a bun / these braids for the entire week. So I'm basically just going to be brushing this out and working with my hair in this state. The reason I don't cut my hair while it's curly is because I like an all over even cut, and I just cannot do that with my hair curling. And I just want to kind of give you guys an idea of what we're working with. FYI, my ends are not damaged because you can kind of like see through them. My hair is just naturally pretty fine. And since the ends are completely blown out and the roots are not, the roots are gonna look thicker than the ends of my hair. So my hair doesn't actually part down the middle. So I am gonna show it this way. I'm gonna switch to my paddle brush because while I like that for detangling, it's a little rough on the hair. So this is what we're dealing with as far as the shape goes. My hair naturally grows a little bit quicker, so longer in certain areas, mainly like right here. My hair grows really fast, so it's really long. This once was the undercut. And this is, even though I trimmed this to stay even with the bottom part of my hair, it still outgrows it. So that's just what happens. So I'm essentially wanting to keep as much length as I can, kind of curve out these longer pieces out here and give myself a shape here. I'm okay with this staying pretty long. I just want it to match the curve that I'm trying to go for. Essentially, I want my hair to start coming out and then curve down to the longest length. Does that make sense? I just want this. I want round. Also, I got this comb at my local beauty supply, and it was supposed to be some type of like carbon, some type of other material. I don't know what the hell it's made out of, but it is smooth. Through my hair, in my hair, it makes a really big difference. It's from the company Red, and I really like it. Never thought that material of a comb could make that much of a difference, but it definitely does. All right, so I have my hair parted from ear to ear across the middle of my head, and then I just have that split in half in the back so I can see each side. I'm gonna do one side at a time in the back before I move to the front, just so that I know that they're even. So this one's first, and this one is basically gonna initiate everything, so I'm not really gonna trim that much off of the bottom. I'm gonna kind of look at my ends and see if I need it. I'm gonna trim the tiniest bit. Probably about that much. That's where my comb kind of naturally stops. If I was doing a trim, I would hold it this way and trim, but because I want the shape, I'm gonna hold it straight out away from my head. Yeah, my ends aren't bad at all. I don't like combing my hair. Okay, I'm probably gonna trim about that much. I don't need a lot gone. Yep. I'm just gonna trim. I can't see it. And I apologize in advance for angles, but like I said, I gotta focus. And so basically, I'm just gonna line this up with this and make sure they match. I don't know if I want to cut that much. That's kind of a lot. But oh wait, I know why it's a lot. It's a lot because this is the section of my hair that grows really fast, so I need to match it. Oh, it's like 2 inches. Oh, that's not 2 inches. You're a drama queen. You're a drama queen. That's not 2 inches. But it's like 1.5 inches. Look. We got an angle. We got an angle. Okay, yeah, it's good. We're good. All right. I have to remember that on this first one, I did not cut very much at all. I'm leaning forward so that the hair can fall on top of my dresser and not on the floor. Okay. Interesting. Make sure I'm getting all of it. Oh, look at how much hair. Oh, there's a big difference there. So the bottom piece ends like right here. I don't know if you guys can see. So the piece that I've already cut that I put in this section, it stops like right there. That's a lot of hair. It's okay. It's for the good. Ooh. Got most of it. Wow, that really works. That works so well. Now, I can't really tell how it looks. Let me see if I can brush it out. Like, how does it look? Is it still in a shape from? Yeah, it is. We're just gonna do it in sections like this. This comb feels so good on my scalp. Yeah. I'm gonna start on the right side. Okay, new growth. So I am sacrificing healthy ends for the sake of having a shape for once, but I think I'm gonna love it in the long run. Okay, right there. Ooh, ooh y'all. Ooh y'all. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Sorry I'm not in frame. I promise I'm doing it. Okay. Is that straight across? I can see it in the light now that we've gotten to the front. Yay! Look at that. See? Coming down and then going around. Listen, if I'm not doing this exactly right, I don't care. I've made it very clear that I'm not a professional, but it's going well. So, you're in the way. Missed a little piece. Okay, let's look at it all together. Just make sure it's what I'm wanting. Piece right here that I should cut, and maybe like a little piece right there. But like I said, I will get carried away, so I'm gonna go ahead and twist this up and come back to that at the end. You know what? I'm going to just dust the end, twist it all together, and just dust the ends, and that'll make them all even. I don't want it to fall on the floor. It did anyway. That worked. Oh, my hair feels a lot shorter. Oh, I don't know what I'm seeing. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm seeing something in here, something up here is like way shorter than, maybe not. Maybe I'm tripping. Okay, I think I'm tripping. I had a lot of my hair on this side and I couldn't understand why I was looking uneven. But, oh, okay, look. I think I did cut this side just a smidge shorter than this side on accident. I don't know how noticeable it is to you. It's noticeable for me, but not enough for me to want to go in and try to fix it, because that's when you just start fucking stuff up, and I ain't trying to do that. My hair in my eye. It's not perfect. I still have some pieces that are, depending on which angle you look at it, it looks like it's a little uneven, like it's just not perfect. But overall, I have the shape that I want, and I think the max I probably cut is maybe like 2 inches in a couple of sections. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud. I got shape, you guys, and I didn't have to pay $200 for it. Alright, I'm gonna brush this out in the back so that I can kind of get a 360 of my head. So we have this. Other side. This. And again, I do want to point out that I have said many times that my hair is fine and low density. So each individual strand is very fine, and the actual density of my hair is pretty low. So that's why it might not look as thick or as full as some other people's hair. That is just how my hair always has been. That's why I like doing wash and goes, and that's why I always mention having fine hair, because that's just what it is. Over time I've learned to love it, but especially at the beginning stages of my natural hair journey, I was pretty self-conscious about it. Like, I just wish I had thick hair. Everybody complains about having thick hair, but when you look at just like how big and full and the types of styles that you can do with thicker, more dense hair, I love it. But I accept my hair for what and who she is, and I have learned how to get volume when I need it, and I'm completely okay with my somewhat see-through afro. Okay. You guys, I did it. I did it. Wow. I know this was not very educational, but I hope that it was at least fun to watch. I'm glad that I did record this and I didn't just do it how I wanted to do it, because at least I documented it and I can go back and watch it and critique and kind of know what to do next time, because this is the shape that I want to continue growing my hair out in. And I'm glad that I finally started it. It's like a new little tangent of my journey. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched it all the way through, you're amazing. As always, don't forget to check in, subscribe with yourself before you subscribe to me or anybody else. But if you're good and you're good, you can hit like and subscribe to my channel as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.